and right. The wiper on the bus go left and right all through the town. Okay, now let's begin. This is the big letter A, and this one is the small letter A. And now I'm going to show you how to write the big and the small letter A. To write the big A, let's start from the top down to the bottom, and then go back to the top and go down to the bottom. And lastly, let's go to the middle and make a straight line across. Good job! Now let's do the small letter A. Let's start from the middle and make a small round here. And then make a small line and go down to the bottom. Good job! Now did you know the sound letter A makes? It's A, A, A. Can you repeat after me? It's A, A, A. I can't hear you. It's A, A, A. Good job! Now here are some examples of the objects that begin with the sound of the letter A. First, we have an ant. Ant. Again, it's ant. Next, we have an anchor. Anchor. Again, it's anchor. An alligator. Alligator. Again, it's alligator. We have an apple. Apple. Again, apple. And last, we have an arrow. Arrow. Again, it's arrow. Good work, kids!